Every system is perfectly designed to get the results it gets. Hi, I'm Diana Larsen, and I work with James Shore at the Agile Fluency Project. Of course, the challenge of this quote is that if we aren't getting the results we want, then what? And every system, every organization we work in, every enterprise is, of course, a system. So how do we inspire leaders to invest in getting the results that they really want to achieve? James Shore and I built the Agile Fluency model as a tool for organizations to identify and then achieve those results. As coaches and consultants, how can we inspire and influence leaders to see the right path forward?
Hi, I'm James Shore. Diana and I have been helping teams and organizations transition to Agile since, well, before it was named Agile. And we found that inspiring leaders to invest in their organizational systems is one of the most important things that we do as part of those efforts. So in our Agile Fluency training, we teach experienced coaches and consultants how to structure their conversations with leaders. It starts out with a conversation with those leaders, understanding what are their objectives for their teams. How will they know that they've reached those goals? And why is it important for their organization? Using the Agile Fluency model, we can frame the trade-offs in terms of what they want to accomplish versus the type of investment that it will take. Once we have a rough idea of which Agile Fluency zones they want to achieve, it's time to use the Agile Fluency Diagnostic and talk to individual teams. And the reason for that is that the system is reflected in the behavior of teams. Now, those conversations with individual teams can inspire individual team-level improvement, and some of the things that you see will only exist on particular teams. But when you see behaviors repeated on team after team, when the majority of teams are behaving in a particular way, that means that there isn't a problem with the individuals or the managers or the teams. That means there's something going on in the system. And those conversations with teams give you a rich set of qualitative and quantitative data that you can bring back to your organizational leaders. We found that those results, that data is very motivating to leaders and translates to immediate action. This opens the door for you to bring your expertise in terms of Agile ideas and experiments. And of course, over time, you will act on feedback and iterate.
The Agile Fluency Improvement Cycle is a valuable tool for inspiring leaders to change in order to get their desired results. That's why we've made it the guiding framework of training for coaches and consultants. To learn more, visit our website at agilefluency.org or email us at info@agilefluency.org.